In this video, I'll guide you through how to use presenter mode in LibreOffice. If you're looking to make your presentations more polished and professional, this feature is definitely something you'll want to explore. Presenter mode in LibreOffice Impress provides a seamless way to manage your slides while keeping your audience engaged. To get started, you'll need to open the LibreOffice application on your computer. If you don't have it installed yet, be sure to download it from the official LibreOffice website. Once you've opened LibreOffice, you'll see a variety of applications, but today we'll focus on Impress, which is LibreOffice's powerful presentation tool. Click on Impress Presentation to launch it. Now that you have Impress open, you'll want to create or open the presentation you'd like to work with. With your presentation ready, direct your attention to the top of the interface where you'll find various menu options. Click on Slideshow. This is where you'll find all the controls for running your presentation smoothly. In the slideshow menu, you have a few options. If you're ready to start your presentation from the beginning, click on Start from First Slide. This will launch your slideshow in full screen mode, allowing you to present from the very first slide. Alternatively, if you've made some edits or are reviewing specific slides, you can choose Start from Current Slide. This option is handy when you want to begin your presentation from the slide you're currently working on without having to go through the entire slideshow from the start. Once your presentation is running, presenter mode offers some impressive features that can make your delivery more effective. You'll have access to a timer, which helps you keep track of how long you've been presenting. This is particularly useful for ensuring you stay within time limits. You can also view your speaker notes, providing you with prompts and reminders without having to rely on printed materials. This feature is especially helpful if you've included detailed notes for each slide. Additionally, presenter mode allows you to preview upcoming slides. This means you can prepare for what's next without interrupting the flow of your presentation. By having this preview, you can seamlessly transition between slides, maintaining audience engagement throughout your talk. To navigate through your slides, simply use the arrow keys on your keyboard or click the mouse. This will advance or return to previous slides as needed. The intuitive controls make it easy to stay focused on your presentation rather than worrying about the mechanics of moving from one slide to another. With these tools at your disposal, you can deliver presentations with confidence and clarity. Presenter mode in LibreOffice Impress is a fantastic way to enhance your delivery, keeping you organized and your audience engaged. And that's it. You now know how to use presenter mode in LibreOffice to its full potential. Whether you're presenting in a professional setting, a classroom, or a community group, these tips will help you convey your message more effectively. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out other LibreOffice tutorials for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and happy presenting.